This is my Browning BL-22 lever action, grade 2. Thought you might like to take a look at it and watch me shoot it. It's a little beat up, few scuffs from age. This one was made in 1996 according to Browning's website, referencing the serial number. Holds 15 .22 long rifle. This one has the engraving on the side. There's no safety on it. It's got a half cock on the hammer. It's got a fold down rear sight that looks amazingly like the one on the Ruger 1022. I don't know if that's actually the same sight, made by some other company that they both use. But I'll take a few shots with it. I'm at the 25-yard berm with some clay pigeons out there. This is how you load the thing. I like to open the action, because when I'm putting my hands out in front of that muzzle, I don't want there to be any chance of this thing going off. It's got a little button that you push in right there, which is a little different than the old like Marlin style where you push down and turn it. All you have to do is push that button in. It's got a detent. So the rod comes out. Then you load the tube, 15 .22s, 22 long rifles in this case. And now to load this thing, you close the action and then open it up again, and it puts one on the feed ramp and then in. And the hammer's back. This rifle is ready to fire. Try it with a fresh target. Oh, not so fresh. Fresher target. Oh. I just shot my screen. Wow. Oh no. Well, my HC31 was a good camera while it lasted. Now I guess it'll be a good downrange camera. This is a total bummer. I just shot it right in the touch screen. I don't even know how I did that. I thought I had lots of clearance. I was looking at the sights and changed my position a little bit, and the barrel ended up right in front of the screen, which was sticking out. I was using it to align the camera. Well, just shows my dedication to my YouTube viewers. Thank you very much for watching.